Hello everyone. If you're looking to find fan pages of competitors in your industry, in this video I'll show you how this feature allows you to scan and get a list of fan pages that are working in the same industry as your product. No matter what industry it is, I'll guide you through the setup. These are some basic steps, just follow along with me. Here, pay attention to this part, the number of fan pages. You can select it here, for example, let's choose 20. And there will be a number of keywords. For instance, you can choose how many keywords you want to scan at once. Here I will now proceed to scan 2 specific keywords. For example, in this particular instance, I will be scanning 2 important keywords, casino and slot. Okay. Here, select English as the language. All of these options, you should select all of them here. In this particular section, you have the flexibility to choose either an exact phrase match or alternatively, a phrase that simply contains the specific keyword you are looking for. This provides a comprehensive and versatile search capability. And here, there's an option to scan pages based on the number of likes. You can skip this, but if you need it, you can click on it. That means it will only scan fan pages with more than 1,000 followers. However, I can scan all of them since I need everything. Then select an account to scan with and click Start. When you own this software, you can scan and get a lot of information about these fan pages. You can exploit your competitors. You can go into these posts to scan them. This is data that you would normally have to spend a lot of money to get, but with just this software, you can scan it easily. After that, you can go and comment or you can send messages. This is its status after a successful scan. I forgot this part. I just clicked and forgot it. This part should actually be set to 20. Turn it off again. Please ensure that this specific section is particularly configured to incorporate precisely 42 distinct and relevant keywords, as this number is crucial for optimal categorization and search engine visibility. Okay, please proceed to deactivate the aforementioned device once more. It is imperative that the power supply to the unit is completely disconnected, ensuring that all operational functions cease. This action is a repetition of a previous command, indicating that the device was either inadvertently reactivated or its continued operation is no longer required. Confirm that the indicator lights are extinguished and that no residual power remains, thereby ensuring its complete and thorough shutdown for the second time within this operational sequence. Your prompt attention to this matter is greatly appreciated. So as you can see, it will scan these fan pages and you can get their fan page list here. Here is the total number of likes and the official fan page link for your convenience. Here, all of their statuses are currently active, so you can use them. You can easily export the file. You can then proceed to download it, downloading it directly to your personal computer.